Hi, my name is Grim Solace from Rotn Reviews, and we are making a garden. These are the seeds that we picked out. This is mint, tomato, and carrot. I think it's a good start.
Hey guys, Matt here from Rotn. I'll take it from here. So Grim got it in her mind that she wanted a garden, so I will be making a garden now with these buckets. So please join me on my journey of making a garden.
Sometimes it goes that way.
Hey guys, I don't know anything about making a garden, so I figured I'd drill holes a little bit higher so the water can reserve but then pour out and keep the I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow here. I saw it on YouTube. Best buckets. Look at the quality of these buckets. Let's give one extra hole to the baby.
So that's 3 buckets. You don't want to do any more?
I mean, we got 3 seeds, so 3 buckets. Let's get them.
Okay, shall we start with that one? Alright, so I've dumped all the bag in the buckets. This is Miracle Grow Moisture Control Potting Mix. Don't use the garden mix stuff. So yeah, it was really hard. Look at it.
Alright, what are you doing? What are you filming right now? Okay, so first of all, I want to stress one big thing here is this is not a how-to video.
No.
This is a journey video. I want you to witness herbicide, if you will, and see how long it takes for Grim to kill these things.
Oh, you suck. They're going to live, they're going to thrive, and they're going to be the happiest plants in the world. That's what's going to happen. So, which one do you have?
I have tomatoes.
Tomato's going to go in red, so we'll know exactly which one that one is. So, I keep hearing stuff. There's a ghost. Okay, I'm going to put the mint in this bucket.
Because it's peppermint.
Yeah. Peppermint.
Yeah, but like, what do you want me to do? Just dump?
These are little bitty seeds.
They're so small.
They're so small. We'll just dump it.
Like, don't you want to spread? Yeah.
Spread it out right there.
Oh, they are minutely small.
Maybe some right there.
Those are, good God.
Maybe some right there. And I guess the rest. I mean, I don't know. We're just going to see what happens.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Huh. These are just like.
All right, they're in there. And this is the carrot seeds. Carrots going in the white bucket. All right.
I think you need to get them down in there.
Down in there? No, the mint was more on top.
Well, yeah, but the carrots.
Yeah, the carrots. I'll put a little bit more in there. Get that one there. And now over here.
Maybe I'll put some more soil on top of everything too to make sure it's a little bit more varied.
And maybe some here. This is all willy-nilly.
Yeah,
oh, that's a lot there.
Not to grow things.
And
bucket
there's still
full of carrots.
Yeah. There we go. Yay! Carrots.
Okay, so I'll get that other soil. We'll put just a little layer on top.
Okay. More soil. More soil. More soil.
So I'm just putting another layer on top.
I'm helping. I can pat it too.
There it is. All right. The buckets are done.
Yay!
Okay, so I figured we still got another bucket of stuff, and we've got fruits and shit. Now, I don't know shit about growing nothing, but I'm gonna take this bucket and just see what happens with putting just random fucking seeds from things in the fridge in it.
You didn't drill any holes in that one.
There's a hole in the bottom. So
Oh, okay.
it'll be like 2 different experiments.
Okay.
I don't see any. Damn, this might be a navel orange.
I'll just put it in there anyway.
In it. I don't think this has seeds in it. Yeah, when I was a boy, I remember you'd peel your apples by hand. Your grandmama would come around with a root beer sundae, and you just munch on that sundae for hours.
You're so stupid. I'm gonna slap you. You're so stupid.
I hope this one here has seeds in it. I believe the audience is probably like, look at this damn dumb asshole peeling these seedless fruit animals that ain't got no damn seeds in them whatsoever. And everybody in the world knows it, but this dumb son of a bitch, he's gonna find a seed in a seedless fruit. There ain't no goddamn seed in this fruit neither. The orange does not have seeds and I'm just ill-educated.
Those are genetically grown, so you can't get them and plant your own.
Freaking navel oranges.
They market it so kids don't choke on seeds, or you don't have to worry about seeds. No, it's so you can't get the fruit and grow your own. Should I leave? Should I go? I'm gonna go. Look at the ladybug. Close your eye.
Oh, he's in my eye! You see my brain? All I can think of is ladybugs! Did you get him off of me?
He left. He's like, I don't like your fucking bullshit.
Alright, well. The lemons have... God damn, this lemon's made of leather.
Let me get away.
Like Dennis is. Well...
You're pissing me the fuck off, god damn it! And now we pour the water in. Give me that. More than that?
I mean, I think maybe kind of spread out a little bit.
Like that? Yay!
I'm just trying to splash the water. I don't want to fucking soak
That's too much.
It needs water on everything. You've only got water in a spot.
Oh. And then your side quest one. I think it has enough for you.
It's not a good one. I don't care.
Okay, don't drown it.
We're gonna surround the tree with great cinema.
That's a little too close.
What do you mean?
I don't want it directly up against the tree.
You're gonna be directly up against the fucking tree. Ta-dam!
What'd you say?
Ta-dam! It's done. There's the buckets. Whoop-de. If anything actually comes out of these things, I bet they get watered like twice by me. Are you following me now? That is enough. Film yourself. Oh look, there's still a bucket of water.
I have my phone right here. The phone you bought and paid for. You don't want to fuck it up.
I can dump it on this side of the phone.
It's still gonna splash all over it. Matt!
Okay, that is enough of your shit.
There we have it. We're gonna check back soon.
Alright guys, place your bets now.
Stay rotten.
Stay rotten.
They're not gonna die. Look at Babushka there.
Why are you doing it like
What? Babushka doesn't do that.
that? Gary helped.
Yeah, she's praying over it.
She's praying for this to grow.
This is my contribution.
And Matt's, terrace bucket here.
And a babushka.
And the Babushka is praying over it. This is her contribution for it.
Somebody has to protect them.
Yay! Yay to garden.
Take off my eyebrow filter. I hate your filter.